Chapter 6. The Journey of a Raindrop. Do you know a raindrop completes a whole journey from earth to sky and then again back to earth from sky? This cycle goes on. Here you will come to know about the journey of a raindrop. Drippy, the raindrop, was having fun. He was busy doing his favorite thing, floating on the waves in the ocean. Looking up, he smiled at his friend, Mr. Sun, who had just come up. As the sun rose up, the day grew warm. Drippy became hot, very hot. "I'm hot," said Drippy. Suddenly, he saw few clouds moving across the sky. Drippy said to himself, "That cloud sure looks nice, and it is so hot down here. I wish I could fly up to it and cool off myself." And just as soon as he thought those words, he was flying up, up, up in the sky to his cloud. Drippy was evaporating. Soon Drippy landed on his cloud. While landing on the cloud, he was spotted by another raindrop. This raindrop had a telescope. "Oh, there," said the other raindrop. "Welcome for joining us. Folks call me Captain Salty. What's your name?" "I'm Drippy, and I came here to cool off," said Drippy. "So, from where do you come from?" asked Captain Salty. Drippy leaned over the edge of the cloud and pointed to the water below. "I was floating on the ocean there," he said. "Where is this cloud heading?" asked Drippy. "She is sailing there," said Captain Salty, pointing to a range of mountains. "Looks like there is going to be storm. Get ready for some more excitement." Drippy and Captain Salty, with many other drops, began to fall down together. They saw a little stream and fell on a leaf floating on it. After some time, the stream joined a river, and the river later joined the ocean. So Drippy and Captain Salty flowed back into the ocean. Hots, do you know the water on the surface of the earth goes up, changes its form, and then again comes back to the earth in the form of rain? What is this cycle called? From the story, write yes or no for the following statements. Drippy, the raindrop, was having fun. Yes. He was floating on the waves in the ocean. Yes. The tiny raindrops joined each other. Yes. They saw a little stream. Yes. Drippy and Captain Salty went back to the ocean. Yes. Tick the correct word. Who was Drippy? A raindrop. Where was he floating? On a wave. Why did Drippy want to go up? To cool up himself. Where did the stream join? River. Do it yourself. Read these words aloud. CH, bench, church, match, munch, rich. KN, knee, knit, knock, knot, no. LK, chalk, fork, talk, yoke, walk. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Where was Drippy floating? Drippy was floating on the waves in the ocean. Whom did he meet in the cloud above? He met another raindrop, Captain Salty. What did Drippy and Captain Salty see as they fell from the clouds? As Drippy and Captain Salty fell from the clouds, they saw a little stream. Where did they finally land on? Finally, they land on a leaf floating in the little stream. Let's know words. Make a word chain. Write a word with the last letter of the word before it. Each chain must have at least 6 words. One has been done for you. Cloud, dog, gate, eat, table, elephant, tea. Blue, egg, grass, star, rat, tin, nut. Water, run, nest, tie, end, desk, kite. Earth, hug, grow, waste, elephant, town, night. Let's learn grammar. Read these words. Green grass, cute puppy, striped tiger. The words green, cute and striped tell us more about the naming words grass, rabbit and tiger. Words that describe naming words are called describing words. Describing words are also called adjectives. Choose the correct adjectives and fill in the blanks. A zebra has black stripes on its body. The mangoes are sweet. Reena has curly hair.